Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into the top 10 cities in the US where you can live like royalty without emptying your treasury. Imagine affordable housing, delicious food, buzzing nightlife, and more entertainment than you can shake a stick at, all without breaking the bank. Buckle up. This video is your golden ticket to a brighter, cheaper, and way more fun future. First up, Fort Wayne, Indiana. This place is anything but old-fashioned. You get all the perks of a big city, a thriving arts scene, delicious food, and a community that feels more like family, without the soul-crushing rent prices. If you're looking for a city with a low cost of living, a strong sense of community, and enough charm to make you want to pack your bags and move right now, then Fort Wayne, Indiana is calling your name. Next up, Wichita, Kansas. Wichita is like that hidden treasure chest you find in your grandma's attic, full of surprises and way more valuable than you ever imagined. Wichita is a barbecue lover's paradise. We're talking fall-off-the-bone ribs, smoky brisket that melts in your mouth, and sauces so good you'll want to drink them straight from the bottle. But Wichita's not just about the BBQ. It's also got a surprisingly affordable housing market. Imagine finding a spacious apartment in a safe neighborhood with enough leftover cash to actually enjoy yourself. So pack your bags, grab your appetite, and get ready to experience the Wichita way of life. Delicious food, affordable living, and a community that will welcome you with open arms. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving into Knoxville, Tennessee. Imagine a place where the sweet tea flows like water, the music scene will make your soul sing, and the cost of living won't have you singing the blues. Knoxville is a city that knows how to have a good time without breaking the bank. Picture yourself hiking through the stunning Great Smoky Mountains National Park in the morning, catching a University of Tennessee Volunteers football game in the afternoon, and then grooving the night away to some foot-stomping bluegrass music. So, if you're looking for a city with a warm and welcoming atmosphere, a vibrant cultural scene, and a cost of living that's easier on the wallet than your grandma's hugs, then Knoxville, Tennessee is calling your name. Fasten your seatbelts because we're blasting off to Huntsville, Alabama, the Rocket City, with down-to-earth prices. This city's got it all. A history steeped in space exploration, a thriving job market, and a cost of living that's out of this world. Lie affordable, that is. Visit the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, explore the intuitive registered trademark planetarium, and let your imagination soar among the stars. But Huntsville isn't just about rockets and spaceships, it's also a city with a whole lot of heart. So, if you're ready to launch your life into a new and exciting orbit, Huntsville, Alabama is the place to be. Get ready to experience Midwestern charm at its finest as we journey to Des Moines, Iowa. This city is like that friend who always brings the good vibes and never asks for anything in return. Des Moines will surprise you with its vibrant downtown, bustling with art galleries, trendy restaurants, and enough nightlife to keep you entertained till the cows come home. So if you're looking for a city with a strong sense of community, a surprisingly vibrant cultural scene, and a cost of living that won't have you constantly checking your bank balance, then Des Moines, Iowa is calling your name. Get ready to step back in time as we head to Little Rock, Arkansas, a city with a rich history and an even richer quality of life. This city is like a time capsule filled with fascinating stories, southern charm, and a cost of living that will make you do a double take. Little Rock boasts a surprisingly affordable cost of living, especially when it comes to housing. But Little Rock is more than just a pretty face. This city has a big heart and a strong sense of community. So if you're looking for a city with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and a cost of living that won't break the bank, then pack your bags and head to Little Rock, Arkansas. Hold on to your cowboy hats, folks, because we're about to two-step our way into Tulsa, Oklahoma, a city where the music's hot and the rent's not. This city is like a hidden track on your favorite album, full of soul, energy, and a beat that will keep you moving. Tulsa is a city with a rich musical heritage, from the soulful sounds of Greenwood, the birthplace of Tulsa sound, to the vibrant live music scene that pulsates through the streets. But Tulsa's not just about the music, it's also a city with a surprisingly affordable cost of living. So, if you're looking for a city with a vibrant cultural scene, a low cost of living, and a beat that will keep you moving, then Tulsa, Oklahoma is calling your name. Get ready to groove your way into Memphis, Tennessee, the home of the blues, where the music's soulful and the prices are easy like a Sunday morning. This city is like a perfectly seasoned plate of barbecue ribs, full of flavor, history, and a whole lot of soul. Memphis boasts a surprisingly affordable cost of living, especially when it comes to housing. Visit Graceland, the home of the king himself, Elvis Presley. Explore the National Civil Rights Museum and dig into a plate of Memphis-style barbecue that will have you singing the blues. Of happiness, that is. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to Omaha, Nebraska, a city that's as down-to-earth as its name suggests. This Midwestern gem is like a warm hug on a cold day, welcoming, comforting, and surprisingly affordable. Omaha is a hidden gem, boasting a thriving arts and culture scene, delicious food, hello Omaha steaks, and a cost of living that will make you do a double take. From the world-renowned Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium to the historic Old Market District, Omaha has something for everyone. Get ready to experience the best of both worlds as we journey to Buffalo, New York, a city where history meets affordability. And did I mention the wings? This city is like that friend who's always down for an adventure, whether it's exploring a haunted mansion or trying a new restaurant. Buffalo is a city with a rich history, stunning architecture, and a cost of living that won't have you digging into your emergency fund. From exploring the iconic architecture of Frank Lloyd Wright to catching a Buffalo Bills game, go Bills. Buffalo is a city that knows how to have a good time. So if you're looking for a city with a rich history, a vibrant cultural scene, and a cost of living that won't make you cry into your morning coffee, then Buffalo, New York is calling your name. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 cities in the US where you can live cheaply and still have an amazing time. From the heart of the Midwest to the sunny South, these cities prove that you don't need to be a millionaire to live a rich and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We're always on the lookout for more awesome content to share with you. Let us know in the comments which city you'd love to move to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.